Before we finish, here's a quick overview of the products which CEMTEC has to offer for cement plants. Here we have the CEMTEC probe. Here is SiloTech, which measures O2 for inertization and CO for smoldering fire protection in the coal silos. Furthermore, CEMTEC is a fast in situ measurement for O2 and COE at the downcomer for second stage combustion optimization at the preheated tower, and for which we also recommend to protect the electrostatic precipitator. And finally, we have Oxitec for an in situ oxygen measurement for the SEMS measurement.